Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert your Minecraft world application to external file. Alright, so let's begin. Before we begin, you'll need to download the export file required for this method. Simply go to this website and download this button unhider file. Once you've downloaded it, locate the file in your file manager and check its extension. If the file was downloaded as a zip archive, simply rename it and remove the .zip extension. After renaming the file, open it and move it into the appropriate Minecraft folder on your device. To demonstrate how this works, let's create a regular Minecraft world. After creating the world, open its settings and take a look through the available options. You'll notice that there is no export option available by default. This means Minecraft does not currently provide a built-in way to export the world using the standard settings. To enable the export feature, return to the main menu and click on Edit World you want to backup. Then open the Resources section and look for the resource pack that was added earlier. Activate this resource pack and save the changes. Once the resource pack has been enabled, launch the world again. After entering the game, open the settings menu once more and scroll through the available options. This time you'll notice that an export button has appeared. Select the export option and your device's file manager will open automatically. Choose the folder where you want to save the exported world and confirm the location. Minecraft will then generate the export file and save it to the selected folder. After the export process is complete, open your file manager and navigate to the folder where the file was saved. Verify that the exported file is present. Once you've located it, tap on the file and choose Minecraft as the application to open it with. The exported world will then be imported as a template. To access the template, return to Minecraft and select Create New World. From there, open the template section. You should see the template you just imported listed among your available templates. Simply select it to create a new world based on that saved version, and that's it. This is how you can convert your Minecraft world application to external file. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.